Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. How the sun was created. In this video, we shall discuss about the creation of the sun. Let us see what the Indian scriptures state about the creation of the sun. Shiva Shakti tradition states that it is Mother who has created the sun and all species. According to Puranas, it is Brahma who created the sun and all species on earth. Now let us see what Rig Veda, the first revelation that came in the language of the gods, state about the creation of the universe. To know how the sun was created, one has to go to the beginning of creation. In the beginning, darkness was everywhere. Nothing was visible. There was neither galaxies, suns, planets, nor moons. Hence, there was no day or night, nor mortal or immortal beings. There was neither sky nor earth. Darkness was everywhere. However, Rig Veda 10th Mandala 129 Sukta states that in the womb of this darkness was present an unfathomable depth of water. Yes, you heard it right. An unfathomable depth of water was present. Imagine the whole sky was once filled with water. The water is called Salila in Sanskrit and forceless subatomic particles by the scientists. The water was surrounded by the force called breath or Vayu in Rig Veda. The Spirit of God called Vayu was hovering upon the surface of the water. All was covered in darkness. The cycle of creation started in two phases. The first phase is referred as the creation in the primordial eon in Rig Veda. We will see the first phase of creation later. The creation of the universe started in the second phase of creation with the birth of Adityas called Devatas or gods. Rig Veda 10th Mandala 129 Sukta verse 6 states, who really knows? Who in this world may declare it? Whence was the creation? Whence was it engendered? The gods were subsequent to the world's creation. So who knows when it arose? This statement tells us the gods were born only after the beginning of creation. In the primordial age that made the primordial ocean to flow upwards like floods, the first to take birth were Adityas and all other gods were born later. Adityas are 8 in number. They are Indra, Varuna, Mitra, Aryama, Bhaga, Ansha, Daksha and Martanda. Indra, the firstborn, a warrior god and the first to have divine mind, overpowers all gods and the water by his effective will force. Gods obey all the commands and wishes of Indra. Indra's dominance over the universe may be compared to our body. Our body is the lord of our physical body. The physical body carries out the will of our mind. If one's mind feels thirsty, the physical body carries out the necessary action to quench the thirst. Therefore, when Indra wished to start creation, Adityas, Mitra, Varuna, Aryama, Bhaga and Ansha take multiple forms and innumerable forms throughout the universe and start creation by gathering and compressing the water along with the force called Vayu, to form the sacred lakes throughout the universe. The sacred lakes are further compressed and ignited to burn like fire. The force and compression ignited Agni. Hence, Agni manifested first in the sky in this way. Adityas further compress and their effulgence covers the ball of fire like clouds to form the radiance of suns and galaxies. Therefore, the sun's radiance is due to the effulgence of Adityas. Hence, the sun is called the eye of Adityas. Remember, all gods were born in water, hence all gods are present within the sun. Let us look at few verses of Rigveda that proves that Adityas created the sun. Rigveda 10th Mandala 72 Sukta verse 6 states, O gods, you stood firm there in the flood, each linked with the other. There, as it were, from the feet of dancers arose a sharp and intense radiation. Rigveda, 1st Mandala, 36th Sukta, verse 4 states, the gods Varuna, Mitra and Aryama kindle you, Agni. Water itself acts as fuel for Agni to burn. Recall that water is nothing but the subatomic particles. Rigveda 10th Mandala 72 Sukta verse 7 states, when gods you filled the worlds with your radiance as clouds, then you brought forth the sun hidden in the ocean. So, after the manifestation of fireball, Aditya's radiance covered it like clouds. Gods have given birth to Agni and sun and placed them in the sky. Now let us see few verses of Genesis and Holy Quran to show all revelations are from the Supreme Lord Indra only. Genesis chapter 1 verse 2 states, now the earth was formless and empty, and darkness was over the surface of the deep, and Spirit of God was hovering over the waters. The earth was formless and empty means it was turned into water-like substance. What the verses of Holy Quran state? Holy Quran 20:30 states, we created every living thing from water. Holy Quran 24 verse 45 states, Allah has created every animal from water. Of them are some that creep on their bellies, some that walk on 2 legs, and some that walk on 4. Allah creates what He wills, for truly Allah has power over all things. The above verses of Genesis and Holy Quran prove that God of these revelations is also the God of Rigveda. Indra is the Supreme Lord who rules over the universe, and unfortunately Indians have forgotten Indra. This is how the sun and galaxies were created by Adityas. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.